If you need to block someone on Zoom, follow these simple steps to ensure you can manage your meetings and interactions effectively. Step 1. Open Zoom application. Launch the Zoom application on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Go to Settings. Click on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the Zoom window. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to open the Settings window. Step 3. Navigate to the Privacy section. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Privacy tab. This section allows you to manage your contacts and block users. Step 4. Block the user. Under the Privacy settings, look for the option to manage blocked users. Enter the email address or Zoom ID of the person you want to block and confirm the action. Step 5. Save changes. After blocking the user, make sure to save your changes. This will ensure that the person is no longer able to contact you or join your meetings. By following these steps, you can effectively block someone on Zoom and maintain a more comfortable meeting environment.